Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it's time for me to reveal the newest club set. Now, die-hard club members, you are getting an extra special goodie this month, and in August, and in September, and in October, November, and December. The next 6 months, you are getting 2 freebies. So I'm not gonna show them to you yet because because people like them to be a surprise. So I'm not gonna spoil the surprise, but you're getting 2 brand new die sets for free. Why? Because we love you. That's why. Okay, now, and this is my idea card. Of course, you get an idea card in all the shipments. Stamp Club members, you are getting this stamp set. Now, I will be honest with you. I have been waiting for this one to come out. I mean, waiting, because this is a subject that is very close to me because I love the beach. Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. It is called Sandcastle to Stamp. And it has a lot of fun things. It has a little sand bucket and a little shovel, an awesome sized sandcastle. It has the words "I dig you" in 2 different fonts, so you could do them different ways. I hope you are feeling fine and sandy. See you later. Seize the day. Hello summer, and then a hello. There's an extra shell here and an extra shell here. Now, die-hard members, the ones getting the freebies, of course, there's dies that match. You're getting all of these as well. Look at the size of that sandcastle. Isn't it a fantastic size? I know, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm having so much fun with these. Let me share our samples with you. Now, not only does our sandcastle look awesome on a regular size card, it also looks amazing on the awesome slimline card dies that we all love. Now, you are seeing a little sneak peek of something else that's being released, but there's a cute one. Look how fun that sample is. Now, those of you that are getting on the whole thing of the new markers, well, I'm sorry, new to us markers, woo, you're gonna love coloring these, right? The tri-blend markers are amazing. If you haven't seen those yet, go check those out because they're awesome. And they're always sold out, so if you can get it quick. Okay, here we go. Look how gorgeous this one is. This one, it has beautiful, just colored, just done on brown cardstock. So if you don't like to color, that's okay. Cut it out of brown cardstock. Stamp and die on brown cardstock. Perfect. Isn't that cute? That's on a standard card base. Here's a cute one in our fishbowl fold it. Isn't that adorable? I love that. And look, this one even pops up. I dig you. Isn't that adorable? So cute, so fun. Michelle made this one. That's so cute. Ooh, here's a fun one. I love this. Look, don't use the whole sandcastle. Just use some of it. I love that. Who did this? Cheryl. I love this. You just used pieces of the sandcastle, and I love it. Oh, here's an awesome one, even on a 5x7 card base. How fun is this? You can fit this sandcastle on any size card base. Isn't that amazing? I know, I love that because our images usually tend to be bigger because I like them to cover more of the card. And this is the perfect example of how it will fit on any size card, including, are you ready for this? A 5x7 card box die set. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Danya made this one, adding the little palm tree. Get that palm tree if you don't have it because you're gonna love it. Isn't that fun? I love that. That's so cute. Oh, look how cute this one is with the mermaid background. I know, I have tons of samples. Can you believe it? It's because when I have a popular one and the design team has time, they go crazy. Look at this. Sometimes I don't give them enough time. That's my fault. But look how cute this is. You could even make a pink sandcastle if you want to. Here's the perfect example if you don't like to color. Perfect. Die cut and stamp on brown cardstock. Our ginger stamp is perfect for this. Look how cute that is. Life's a beach. Open it up. Sandy toes and sun-kissed nose. I love that. And here's another cute one. Just so fun. Just a cute little one. If you don't want to cut it out or anything, you can just stamp it on different color cardstock. And look at that. Ooh, and the inside is even decorated as well. Now, club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on these, and these are already being sent to you automatically if you're in the Stamp or Die Hard Club. Yay! Die Hard Club members, of course, you're also getting those 2 freebies. Now, if you're not in the club, now is the best time to join the Die Hard Club because you get to take advantage of all the freebies we're sending out, and you get sign-on bonus gifts if you join the club. I know, it's like we're paying you to be club members. Now, if I went too fast on any of these, don't worry, don't fret. All of these samples are in our online gallery, and there will be even more. So you can go to our website, gallery, click on Sandcastles to Stamp, and you can see all of these samples and even more. And you can even upload your own creations once you get yours. I know, isn't it awesome? Now, I did show you a couple sneak peeks, so make sure you watch the next video because there's gonna be a lot of more fun sandcastle beach stuff. right there. Okay, thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.